Sleep, a seemingly simple function, holds the keys to our overall health and well-being. The significance of sleep is often undermined, but its impact on our physiology and psychology is profound. Living in an era where sleep disorders are on the rise, it is of paramount importance to comprehend the essence of quality sleep and how it can influence our everyday lives. A tranquil sleep environment is the bedrock of quality rest. It forms the stage for your body and mind to rejuvenate. Dim lighting conditions, balanced with a cool room temperature, devoid of any disruptive noise, can dramatically augment your sleep quality. Simple steps like keeping the room dark, using earplugs, or a white noise machine can make a world of difference. Moreover, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is a crucial aspect of good sleep hygiene. This is not just about getting the recommended 8 of sleep, but also about ensuring you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. This routine aids in the regulation of your body's internal clock, which in turn fosters restful sleep. Lastly, in our hyper-connected world, we often disregard the detrimental effects of digital devices on our sleep. The constant barrage of information and harmful blue light emitted by our screens can disrupt our sleep pattern. Therefore, consider a digital detox an hour before bedtime to facilitate mental relaxation. By adopting these simple strategies, you can enhance your sleep quality and consequently, your overall well-being. Lastly, our digital devices, with their constant stream of information and blue light, can sabotage our sleep. Consider a digital detox an hour before bedtime to help your mind unwind. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation can help prepare your body for sleep. Let's delve into this a bit. Deep breathing involves taking slow, deep, and deliberate breaths, which can help to calm the mind and relax the body. Progressive muscle relaxation, the other hand, is a method where you tense and then relax different muscle groups in your body, working from your toes to your head or vice versa. This promotes a deep state of relaxation and can reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier for your body to drift into sleep. Next, we come on to the bedtime rituals. Establishing a calming routine before bed can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. These rituals can include reading a book, gentle yoga, or stretching, which can help you transition from the busyness of the day to the tranquility of the night. Moving on, let's consider the role of your sleep gear in ensuring a good night's sleep. The comfort and support offered by your mattress and pillows can significantly influence the quality of your sleep. A mattress that supports your spine's natural curves and pillows support your neck and head can help you avoid discomfort and promote better sleep. Now, let's talk about mindful eating. Your diet during the evening can heavily influence your sleep. Foods high in tryptophan, like turkey or almonds, can promote sleepiness, while heavy or spicy meals can disrupt your sleep. Insomnia, a common sleep issue, can often be addressed by relaxation exercises and cognitive behavioral techniques. This is a widespread problem affecting a vast portion of the global population. Oftentimes, it's the clutter of thoughts bouncing around in our minds that hinders our ability to enjoy peaceful slumber. Racing thoughts fueled by anxiety can be one of the most disruptive elements when it comes to our much-needed rest, creating an internal cacophony that's hard to silence. One effective strategy to calm this mental storm is through journaling. It can be considered as a form of emotional release, allowing us to pour out all our concerns and worries onto paper. This cathartic process can alleviate the burden of anxious thoughts, creating a tranquil mental space that can pave the way for a good night's sleep. Another beneficial approach is practicing mindfulness exercises. These exercises promote focus awareness, which in turn can quiet the mind and reduce anxiety. By integrating these techniques into our daily lives, we can cultivate a balanced mentality that can help manage anxious thoughts and foster better sleep. Napping is a double-edged sword. It can either be our ally or enemy in our quest for quality sleep. While short naps can be rejuvenating and beneficial in moderation, they can also disrupt our sleep patterns if not done right. The key is to incorporate short, refreshing naps into your routine that invigorate you without affecting your nighttime sleep. In conclusion, quality sleep is a complex orchestra of various factors, amalgamating the subtle nuances of your surroundings and scheduling to your mental state and physical ease. When we talk about quality sleep, it's important to understand that it's not just about the number of hours you spend in bed, but rather the depth and restfulness of the sleep itself. Sleep quality is influenced by a myriad of elements, including your physical environment, the regularity of your sleep schedule, your mental readiness for sleep, and your body's overall comfort. Experimenting with various tips and tricks can potentially lead you to healthier sleep patterns, thereby enhancing your overall well-being. Consider your sleep environment first. Sure, your bedroom is dark, cool, and quiet. Your mattress and pillows should be comfortable and supportive. Think about your routine and schedule. Try to maintain a consistent sleep pattern, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Next, consider your state of mind. Relaxation techniques can help you unwind and prepare for sleep. You might try deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or visualization. Physical comfort is equally crucial. Sleep in a position that feels natural and comfortable, and ensure you have enough blankets or layers to stay warm. By tinkering with these factors, you can unlock the door to better sleep. You can invite the possibility of waking up each morning feeling refreshed and energized, ready to take on the world. Sleep carries this transformative power, altering not just your waking hours, but your overall life quality. Always remember, sleep is not just some indulgent luxury. It is an absolute necessity. It is the fuel for a healthy, fulfilling life. A life that is not just lived, but truly experienced.